It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 17th of November. I'm Michael Groff. Dry conditions, temperatures to remain below average all the way through the middle part of next week before a subtle warming trend takes over. And what about that forecast for Thanksgiving? Is it still looking absolutely perfect around here? Well, we will talk about it. First, let's check out that almanac from yesterday. Hey, another day of below average temps, 70 degrees the afternoon high, 6 degrees below that normal high of 76, and 43, that chilly morning low, halfway between the normal low and that record low temperature. All right, as we take a look outside right now here, right around 9 o'clock, we've got sunny sky. And hey, we're at 59 degrees at Sky Harbor, but it is bone dry. Dew points at 17, humidity 20%, winds light. And the barometer up at 30.25 inches and steady. The upper level weather pattern has not changed very much. Still have this anomalous upper ridge that sits over the northeast Pacific up into Alaska and northwest Canada. And downstream from that, a deep layered north-northwesterly flow continues, and that's spilling plenty of cool air across the entire lower 48. That includes us here in the southwest, where below average temperatures do continue. And periodically, these short waves come by and reinforce the cool air. And as we look at the watch warning map, you see those air stagnation advisories continue up there over parts of Oregon and Idaho. We've got winter weather advisories and wind chill advisories out across the northern plains, the Dakotas. Otherwise, things are rather quiet around the country. Convective outlook for today, speaking of quiet, no organized areas of severe weather, hardly even a clap of thunder to be heard anywhere over the lower 48. And here's a look at the precipitation outlook. This is valid through Thursday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, 0. Statewide, 0. Region-wide, basically 0, as we expect dry conditions to continue all the way out to at least Thanksgiving Day, but maybe a sign that the pattern begins to change more favorably for precipitation thereafter. We'll talk about that right now as we get to the models, have a look at things. This is the GFS. It is the 06Z run, valid 2 o'clock this afternoon. Our incredibly strong and just wide-ranging, that long wave upper ridge just sitting or so. Then tomorrow, maybe a few clouds around, but otherwise mostly sunny and high temperatures mid-60s to about 70. And the forecast is not going to change for the next several days. Highs upper 60s to around 70, maybe low 70s for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. There is a Pacific weather system that moves into the northwestern states and the Intermountain West. Maybe a little rain and snow for parts of Oregon, Washington, Idaho, and moving into western Montana. But the pattern really doesn't change much for us. At least the sensible weather doesn't change much. Highs still pretty close to 7 next week for the busiest travel day of the year. No travel troubles here across the Southwest. Now, as we go out to a week from today, this is Thursday. It's Thanksgiving Day. That's the 24th of November. High pressure now moving in here across the Southwest, actually much of the western states. And with that, temperatures should probably come up just a little bit. I expect highs close to normal, maybe even a degree or two above climatological averages, but dry conditions will prevail. Then moving out 10 days, this is Saturday, the 26th. And hey, look, another anomalous upper ridge. This time, though, it's a little further to the west, and that's interesting. It's over the Bering Sea and over eastern Russia. What that might do is set the stage for some shortwave energy to ride down the front side of the ridge again, but this time it would move over the far eastern Pacific, down the west coast of the United States, maybe picking up some Pacific moisture. And if that's right, one such weak short wave is moving toward the southwest about that time, and that could bring a few showers in here by about Saturday of Thanksgiving weekend. But I call 10 days out, a lot can change. This is one idea that's on the table right now. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix, going out through the 1st of December. That comes off the GFS ensemble. Look, the mean is still way under 1/10 of an inch, and only a few members indicate any possibility for precipitation. So at this point, we do not expect any significant rain chances anytime soon. And temperatures off the national blend of models, highs around 70, maybe up to the mid-70s out there by about, middle and latter part of next week or the following weekend. But overall, this is at or below where we should be here for mid to late November. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video comes back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell. Leave those comments, questions, suggestions. The executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion is my one and only Michelle. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support. It is greatly appreciated. Thanks for your participation in our live chat over there. And we could not do these videos without you guys. So thanks again. All right, please be safe out there and have yourselves an absolutely epic Thursday.